Abuja, we still have energy, right? We still have energy, right? Okay, what do we get? My baby, got me back.
Guys, this is Juma Jux in Abuja. Did you see that? Did you see all those fans? Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Juma Jux was performing live in Abuja, and of course mke wake kipenzi Priscilla was by his side, the wife Priscilla, and without forgetting Annie was there. He was dancing, having fun. Guys, I don't want to spill all the beans. Just watch this beautiful video of Juma Jux performing live with everyone happy and shouting to see him. Enjoy.
Everybody say yeah! Say what? Say Africa boy! Say Africa boy! Say yeah! Say what? Unasema ni wako takita. Namba pema moyo wangu tafuza. Hawajui nawe vile yule. You're my Shayla, on my radar. What you say this? My baby, can it be? You're my baby, you be my Shayla, you're my everything. Say, I can't believe. Say, thank you. I can't. Abuja, we still have energy, right? We still have energy, right? Okay, what do we get? Say! What's my desire? Yeah. I'm calling you my wife. Samini, you go now where I love. Okay. When you're wrong, when you're like me, I'm thinking, let them know, baby, let them know. I can't let your mama go tell you to my. Hey, we go. Hey, when you're wrong, when you're like me, I'm thinking, let them know, baby, let them know. Watch yourself, baby. Oh. You need today. This is not the time. Oh, you need today. You need today. You need today. This is not the time. Forever you be mine. I can't believe you'll be my baby now. Sing it. I can't believe what. 19 years mtoto yangu. Sing it. Tell your mama I will take you to my city. Hey, Abuja, I love your energy. I love your energy. There's one song I want to play to you. You guys like on the piano? You like on the piano? Yeah, okay. Perfect. What we got, baby?
Showtime! I say daddy, I want to party.
Sing it.
You say daddy, I want to party. I say daddy, I want to party. Showtime! Sijui kutongoza, wakinipitisha. Wewe zenu mimi, sijui kutongoza, wakinipitisha. Asemesha mwanga hela.
You know, when I was coming here, there's a song they say here in Abuja there's a sound, it's similar to that sound in Tanzania. So when I play it here, it's a high tempo song. I know you don't understand it, but it's a high tempo. Like locally here, you have the same sound like that. Delvin, can you play with them together one time? We'll do the next song. Oh no, don't wait. You know what? So we clap 10 times for Mom Dr. Zainab. Thank you so much, Abuja. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom.
Alright, so while we're please, everyone should clear the stage, including security, everyone. Let's clear the stage. There's not very big selfie. So please, just stand by where you are. Everyone should please.